Once again, chapter 5, class 6, hands-on computer. Hands-on here, meaning of hands-on means computer, video, and this is my humble submission to my humble viewers. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for science, computer, mathematics and yoga videos. Now, viewing presentations Impress open source. There is conversation between Tobo and Dobo. Tobo and Dobo prepared a presentation using the tools in the previous chapters. They have used tools. They made be a very effective and eye-catching presentation by applying various transition effects, adding narration and time the show. They went to the computer lab to show their presentation to the computer teacher. Teacher, well done, Dobo and Dobo. You have made a very effective presentation. However, I want you to add notes to this presentation. Besides, rearrange the order of few slides. Rearranging order of slides won't be easy. Teacher, it is easy if you use different presentation views. What are presentation views? I guess I have some idea. Teacher, there are many views available in Impress to view a presentation, which helps significantly in making a presentation. Besides, effective use of these views gives a professional appearance to the presentation. We can view a presentation in many different specific views like painting, arranging, slide, sequence, adding some notes on the slide, etc. Presentation views. Keep this thing in mind. View such presentation views are as follows: normal view, slide sorter view, notes view, slide show view. We'll discuss one by one. Normal view. This is the default and the main view in which we design and edit our presentations. Usually, whenever a presentation is open, it opens in this view as indicated in the screen below. However, if you wish to switch over to normal view from any other view, following steps should be used. Click on view in the menu bar, click on normal. Here you are seeing viewing presentations. Click on the tab tilted normal present on the view panel as shown in the given diagram. This will immediately change the view to normal view. Slide sorter view. Next thing. In this view, slides appear in smaller form or thumbnail form. This view is very helpful if you wish to see all the slides together on the single screen in order to change the slide sequence or to take print out of the slides. Steps to switch over to slide over sorter view are as follows. Click on view in the menu bar, click on slide sorter. You will get following display on the screen. Click on the tab tilted slide sorter present on the view panel as shown in the given diagram. This will immediately change the view to slide sorter view. In slide sorter view, slides will appear in the miniature form. We can change the slides order or sequence by dragging the slides to new position. From one position to another position. From one place to another place. This is dragging. Steps to change the slide appearance sequence are given below. Select the slides which you want to bring back or forth. Press the slide left mouse button. Drag the mouse back or forth as required while holding it down. Release the button. Fourth slide is moved after second slide in the above figure. A screen showing new slide order or sequence after moving fourth slide after second slide. In this view, we can even change the number of slides that can be viewed in one horizontal row by specifying the desired number in the box as shown in the given diagram. Now try to understand horizontal with the ground. This is horizontal line and this is vertical 90 degree. Box 2 set number of slides in one horizontal row. In this case 5 slides can be seen in one horizontal row. In this case 3 slides can be seen in one horizontal row. Notes view. Next, third. In this box, in this view, presenter can add some notes on the slides for his or her reference. These notes will not be visible to the audience during the slide. So we can take print out of these notes and can refer to them while giving a presentation. Steps to which over to notes view are as follows. Click on view in the menu bar. Click on notes page. You will get in following display. Click on the tab tilted notes present on the view panel as shown in the given diagram. A rectangular text box will appear below the slide as shown below, which can be used to write any text related to the slide for the future reference. This text will not be displayed to the audience during slide, so the presenter can comfortably refer to this text at the time of presentation. Double. Yes, I remember my father told me about this view. Slideshow view. This view is used to deliver or to show the presentation to the audience. In this view, individual slides of the presentation will appear one by one in full screen mode. In this view, we see our presentation exactly in the same way in which the audience will view the presentation. This helps in checking the arranging the slides, checking how the text, graphics, sound, narration and effects of individual slides and whole presentation will appear during the actual presentation. We can exit slideshow view by pressing ESC, escape key, to come back to normal view or for further modification if required. Few page options are given below to start slideshow. We can use any one of the given options to start the slideshow. Option first, click on view menu, click on slideshow. Option 2, click on slideshow menu item, click on slideshow. Option 3, click on the slideshow option present on the toolbar. Option 4, press F5 and individual slides will start appearing one by one in full screen mode on the screen as shown below. We can use down arrow key to go to the next slide and up arrow key to move to the previous slide. At the end on the black screen, following message will be displayed. Click to exit presentation as shown below. Click anywhere on the black screen to come back to the normal board. This is simple problem. You may do this question yourself. Who am I? Activity. Normal view, adding slides in normal view. Slide sorter view, rearrange. Notes view, information may added but audience will not see. Slideshow view, full screen will view. You may read. I have already discussed all these things. Assessment activity. False, true, false. True, false, false, true, false, false, false. Compare writer with OM Press. Do you find similar way? Views in writer justify your answer. Different. It is different. Views refer to the mode of viewing presentations. Once again, this is my humble submission to my humble viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for science, computer, mathematics and yoga videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.